What's the meaning of asymptomatic? Asymptomatic. Asymptomatic.
Asymptomatic. Asymptomatic. Asymptomatic refers to a medical condition where a person does not show any signs or symptoms of a disease, despite being infected by it. This means that the person is able to carry and transmit the disease to others without realizing it. Asymptomatic carriers are particularly dangerous in instances where the disease is highly contagious, such as with COVID-19. Therefore, identifying asymptomatic carriers through testing can be critical in controlling the spread of an infectious disease. Timely detection and isolation of asymptomatic carriers can help prevent further transmission of the disease.